How to check the size of directories in Linux? To check the size of directories, we use the du command. Here are the some useful scenarios of du command. To use du command, we will simply use du and press enter. It will show us the current size of the current directory. Now, if we want to check the size in human readable form, then du minus h. It will show us the size of the current directory and its subdirectory. Now, if we want to show all the size in just one go, then we will use du minus sh. It will show us the total size. Now if we want to show the total size of slash etc, du minus sh slash etc, it will show us just in one line. Now if we use without s option, then du minus h slash etc, it will show us one by one, and